Hello everyone. What I have for you today is an American challenge lock. It's pinned by Steel Pinnings, I'm told, though the key or the lock didn't come with any kind of tag or identifier. We'll find out when we gut it if it is in fact a challenge lock. Alright. Grab my pick. I'll just be using a Sparrow's short hook because I will be picking off of this little ledge here, this little piece of warding. Alright, we're in a little bit of a false set. Alright. Now let's get this thing gutted. We do have the key, so I'm going to lock it back up. I'll try to pull this circlip off. In case y'all haven't noticed, I shim everything I possibly can. Try to avoid any disasters. I think, yeah. Foxy made me this follower, and it's just perfect for Americans. All right. Let's see what our pinning looks like. Weird. The sixth pin was a little sticky, but you can see everything had to be picked. So there's pin 1. Two. Yeah, this is definitely not normal pinning. All right. Just going to straighten everything out and I'll show it all to you at once. Really nice little pins in here. Alright, now for the core, wherever I put it. Yeah, which way was the front? I think this is the front. Yeah. Get that shim out of there. Turn the right way. All the pins appear to be the same length. Yeah, they're standard American pins. You need something? What you need? My pen? You can talk. Yeah, I'm recording, but I mean, as long as you ain't giving out patient information, you can talk.
Georgetta working in the morning.
Okay. Thank you. All right, a couple of these springs are a little mangled, but let's see what we got. Some of these pins are just devious, like this one here. See, it's got that small little T-pin type tit at the top. Spool. This one, let's try to get a little focus on this one. it's going to focus well enough. There we go. You can see the little tiny T-pins. Shit. Anyway, let's put that back over there before I lose it. I'll just give you a close-up on all these pins. Definitely not your standard American. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. As always, have a great night or day. Come on, let's get some focus before the video ends. All right, take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.